Hello and welcome to another NFL Rivals content video. Thank you for looking in today. It's 10 a.m. so the system is processing. We're gonna open the pack. I doubt there's not gonna be anything available in the shop today, but just to see what the tier 1 pass brings. The tier 1 pack, okay. Very short video today. Stephon Diggs. Come on, Stephon. Alright, well, that is a player that I do not have, but, you know, it's the way of the road. Thank you for watching and have a great day.